Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to uninstall Get Help Windows 11. You will open the File Explorer and go to the path on the screen. Right-click on the executable Help pane to choose Properties. In the Security tab, click on Advanced. Now in Owner, click on Change. Enter the username and click on Check Names. Apply the change. Click on Apply and click on Accept in the pop-up window. Close this window. Now in the Properties window, click on Edit. There, check if you can remove each element. If possible, do so and apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.